I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to change streak emoji on Snapchat. For that, first of all, open up your Snapchat application on your phone. After you open up your app, on top left you can see your profile icon. Tap on it. After that, tap on settings icon, which is on top right. Scroll down and you'll see a category of additional service. Under it you'll see an option of manage. Tap on it. After that, click on friend emojis. Scroll down and tap snap streak. Select any emoji you want from the list and then tap on the arrow icon, which is on top left. There you have it. Now you can use a regular smiley face, a tree, an animal, or any other face as your snap streak emoji. I hope this video was useful to you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.